Are you guys looking for the most affordable single-story new construction home here in Las Vegas? Well, stick around, guys. In this video, we are going to be touring the Bennett floor plan. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go for all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to Carlton at Cadence by Lennar. Now we're located in Cadence Henderson. Now if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is about 30 minutes east of Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Beautiful master plan community. It is the most affordable master plan community in Las Vegas. The amenities, they're gonna have a Olympic style swimming pool. They have parks. They're gonna have like an outdoor fitness center. They have trails, they have pickleball. So it's an amazing community, great for families. Now, as far as this community goes, they have 5 different floor plans, which I will have on the screen for you. 5 different floor plans. One of them is gonna be a single story. The other are gonna be 2 stories, all ranging from $393,990 all the way up to $437,990. Now, the thing with Lennar, mainly, you're going to see a lot of spec homes with Lennar, but it really depends when you get into contract, because if you like a model, they're still 3 months away from it being completely built. You could probably still choose like cabinets, flooring, something like that. But yeah, normally the only upgrades that you can do is flooring, cabinets, countertop, and backsplash, okay? So I would say whenever you look at the base price, the final price is not too far off. It's pretty close to the base price because most people just upgrade like flooring or something like that. The community is just opened up, so they still have quite a few homes to go. As far as the HOA is $103 a month, and that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Bennett floor plan. Now, the Bennett floor plan is a single story, 1248 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the base price is $393,990. Now, this might be the most affordable single story new construction home in Las Vegas. Okay, or this is up there. So let's take a look. So it does have a single car garage, and I know most buyers are looking for 2 car garages, but this one has a single car garage. And so let's check it out. Desert landscaping is included, paver driveway, so the front landscaping will always be included. The backyard will always just be a dirt lot, and then HOA will typically give you about a year after you move to get it landscaped. Okay, so welcome in. Again, that is the information. So welcome in. So as soon as you walk in, you're greeted by the living room, dining room, and kitchen. Now you do have 9-foot ceilings, so definitely feels spacious in here. Now the way the floor plan is designed, so I'll show you over here, you're gonna have your primary bedroom that's gonna face the front of the house. You'll also have your door to your garage. Now as we take a look over here, you have this nice living room, dining room, kitchen's gonna be in the corner. You'll have one of your bedrooms, your full bath, and then the other bedroom, okay? Yeah, let's get started with the kitchen. Now remember, with Lennar, the only things that are optional is going to be the countertop, the cabinets, and the flooring. Okay. Now you see this flooring, countertop right here. This is going to be an upgraded quartz. The standard does come with quartz, so even some of the spec homes, I know they'll build it with the standard quartz, which is nice. Still looks nice. These white cabinets are standard. Now, if you wanted to upgrade that too, I think they have like different colors. Yeah, they have like dark, they have gray. As far as the appliances go, you'll have the GE appliance package. So you'll have the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the sink, as well as the microwave, oven, cooktop. I think the washer and dryer is the only appliances that are not included. Oh, then sorry, backsplash. If you want backsplash, you can upgrade into backsplash. That's another thing that you have the option to do. There's no structural upgrades, no type of structural upgrades you can do. Like the bathroom configurations, whatever you see for the primary bath, that's just how it's set up. Okay, so this would be like your pantry over here. Also, they went with the vinyl planks, luxury vinyl planks. So that is upgraded. Okay, so welcome to bedroom number 1. Now, bedroom number 1, this is going to be a full-size bed. This will be like a 10 by 10 room right here. That's your standard closet. Here, let's see if we actually, I don't think we could go to the backyard. So remember, the backyard, again, it won't be landscape, it'll be a dirt lot. And if you're curious to know the dimensions of the backyards, just shoot me a text, give me a call. I can find that information out for you. So we have the full bath right here. Shower tub, combo, fiberglass. Okay. So what you're looking at here, all standard. You got the cabinets, countertop, as well as the Moen faucet. Looks like we have the stacked washer and dryer. And we also have the smart panel box. So the smart panel box, again, that's going to be where you set up your internet router and your modem. So it looks like you have the transfer grills right above the doors, as well as the attic access. So the transfer grill is going to help regulate the airflow, as well as the temperature. It's going to prevent, the wind from blowing, shutting doors. And then also too, these are smoke detectors, smoke CO2 detectors in the hallways, and inside the bedrooms, you're going to have smoke detectors. Okay, so it looks like they made this into an office space right here. It's nice though. I like that Lennar includes like the 5-panel doors, interior doors. Now you're gonna have your door to your garage, which is locked. You'll have this device, which you could set up with whatever security. I know ADT connects with this, but you could have other securities, I believe, connect to this as well. Now, if you are, if you've been watching these videos, these new construction home videos, and you're pretty interested in new construction and you're thinking about going to a new build community, definitely give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. At least let your realtor know that you're interested in visiting a new build community. Make sure they go with you on your very first visit. See, if you go by yourself, once you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Once they have that, they're going to register you in the system. They won't let you have representation down the road if you choose to buy at that location. And the problem with that is the builder agents don't look after your best interest. They look after the builder's best interest. So, that's our job. We look after your best interest. We negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. So definitely very important that you get some representation. So this is going to be your primary bath. You got the dual sinks. You have the walk-in shower. Again, no structural options that you can do. This is just how it is. Okay. All right. This is also your primary bedroom is going to be, facing the front of the house as well. But yeah, that wraps it up for the Bennett floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, any questions, just, give me a call, shoot me a text. Thank you so much for watching, and then I'll catch you guys next video.